Hi, boys and girls. This is your math test for the week. I'm pretending that we're doing this on Friday, which is when probably a lot of you will do it. If you choose to do another day, that's okay. You can use the date I'm using, which is Friday, or you can choose a different date as long as you've written it neatly and correctly and spelled it correctly. Okay, so go ahead and do your last name with good handwriting and your date. Anytime during the math test, pause the video so you can catch up. Don't let me go ahead of you and then you miss something. Okay, to start with, we're gonna skip number 1 and we're gonna go back and do that one last, okay? All right, let's go to problem 2. Color the pennies brown. Okay, under your dimes, mark 10. Under your nickel, mark 5. And under your pennies, you can mark a 1. All right, count your money and write your answer. Don't forget your cent sign. Okay, number 3. Let's get out a green crayon and underline the word green. Color all the spheres green. I want to see nice coloring staying inside the lines, coloring the whole sphere green. When you're done, you can put away your green. Remember, if you want to pause the video till you're done, that's a good idea. All right, get out your yellow and underline the word yellow. All right, color the cubes yellow. So find the cubes and color them yellow. Pause the video until you're done. Okay, you can put away your yellow and get out your red. Underline the word red. Color the cone red. So find the cone and color it red. All right, put away your red when you're done and get out your blue. Let's underline the word blue. Color the cylinders blue. Remember, it doesn't matter which way the cylinder is laying or facing. If it's a cylinder, color it blue. Okay, you're gonna need your blue and your yellow. Okay, so for our graph, we're gonna do the cubes, the yellow cubes that you did, and the blue cylinders that you did. So count how many cubes that you colored yellow, and you can do a dot in each, a yellow dot in each square for the number that you colored yellow. Count how many blue cylinders and put a dot in the squares that represent how many blue cylinders you colored. Okay, when you're done, put away your blue and yellow crayon. Get out your red pencil. Okay, remember with our red pencil, we draw a line on our bar graph showing where they stopped being equal. So we want to know how many more cylinders than cubes. So draw your line where they stop being equal. Okay. All right, and with your pencil, I want you to write the number that tells me how many more cylinders than cubes. Okay. Again, pause if you need time to catch up. Pause if you need to go back and use your eraser to clean up your picture. Okay. All right, problem 5. We're counting by 10 starting at 6. So you're going to fill in the numbers. Boys and girls, if I can't read your handwriting, then I cannot mark it correct. So make sure your handwriting is something I can read. Okay, make sure your number fits in the box. Both digits in your number should be the same size. If you want to try that little bonus one at the end, you may, but you do not have to. Okay, go ahead and fill in those. Pause the video until you're done. All right, number 6. We're practicing our alligator mouths. Greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, so draw your alligator mouth in here to show me which number the alligator is going to eat, 3 or 7. Draw your alligator mouth in this one, showing me which one it's going to eat, 9 or 2. All right, remember for these, you have to do the problem first. So 8 minus 1, write your answer down below. 5 plus 2, write your answer down below. And then go back in the circle and draw your alligator mouth to tell me about these two numbers. All right, check over any handwriting, make sure it looks good. All right, we're gonna go back up to problem 1. All right, remember we have to write our 3 sentences for our number story. Okay, so I see blank, blank. So this should be nice handwriting that I can read with spaces, capital letter I see. Okay, write your number, word, and then write your animal. Think about whether you need an S on the end of that animal. Boys and girls, pick something that you can spell, like cat, dog, pig, bug. All right, if you still have room, you can keep writing on this line. If you're out of room, you can go to the next line. All right, I see blank more blank. Remember, you are not writing the blanks. You're filling in your numbers. So write your other number. How many more are you seeing? And copy your animal again. Think about whether you need an S or not. Okay. Now I see, write your number and then your animal one more time. Okay, remember your animal should be the same in all 3 sentences. Check over handwriting, make sure that we can read what you wrote or we can't mark it correct. Okay, this will be the last time on a test that I'm giving you the sentences. After this, you'll have to remember them on your own and remember how to spell your words like more and now. Okay, go ahead and finish up this test. Remember, this is a test you should have been doing by yourself. And then mom or dad can turn this into us, okay? All right, also, you need to do your fact test. Notice on your fact test that everything is minus, everything is subtraction. So fill that in. Boys and girls, when I've been grading tests this week, I've been seeing a lot of crazy handwriting where I could not read your number. Make sure you're writing it clearly so that we can read it, okay? Make sure your name is on it, last name, fill this in, and mom or dad can turn it in for you. Have a great weekend. Bye.